Misfire code 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Show you how it's a doing here and how to fix it. Just about didn't want to start. It's showing a number 2 misfire code on number 2 cylinder. Put it in gear here, show you how it's doing. Jumping. You can hear it, it's just jumping. We'll turn it off, go out here, and I'll show you how to fix it from what I've learned. Get my trusty walker here. Come around to the front. Right here, you got number 1, number 2 injector. First you unhook. I've already had it fixed once. Stuck it back together just to take it apart to show you what's going on. You gotta bridge it. You're tricking the computer. Cut number, if you got number 2 misfire, strip back number 1 a little bit so you can tie number 2 into it. Let's see here. If I can get the tape off. Try to get the tape off. There we go. What you do, you got number 2 main wiring harness from the injector rail. Then you just cut it loose. The number 2 injector. You got a green wire here, green wire here, white and green here, make sure it's same color coded. Green to green, bridge it. It's just a quick fix for now. I'll take it back later, take it apart later and solder it, fix it right. I'm just showing you guys how to fix it, like if you broke down beside the road or just need to get it home, or actually you could drive it, what I've seen, forever. Not a bit of trouble. Tape it up a little. Just doing this quickly, just to show the basics. You could do your own vehicle any way you want. This works on about any injector misfire code, probably with any vehicle. Just tape everything where it don't touch, or I'm sure you'll do better than I did with it. Just tape everything where nothing touches, nothing grounds out. You don't want to burn your vehicle down. Just tape everything up there a little bit. I'll redo it when the video's over. I'll redo this one. I'm just doing it for a quick fix. Now the problem is, computers nowadays are programmed to show a misfire code at certain mileage intervals. There's that. Okay, now you got your number 2 wiring harness. Make sure you tape it up that it ain't touching nothing. I checked all this with a noise light. No pulsating, no power, no nothing. That's why we've got a number 2 misfire code. Just tape everything up. Make sure all your connections are clean and no grounding, no nothing, which there's no power on this anyway, hence the reason it's missing. Everything's bridged together. You just bridge it to your next closest injector. When you get, electricity runs through your wires, pulsates, opens up your injector, which in turn lets fuel into your cylinder. That's what's not happening when the computer shows misfire code. It's not letting power to open up your injector to let fuel in. Put everything back a little bit. I'm going to start it up and show you guys show you guys what I've learned. I'm figuring, I'm guessing this works on about any vehicle, or would work on about any vehicle. It's a lot cheaper than having to buy a computer, then have it programmed and put in garages and all this, you know. How you get the gist of it, I'll take you back and start it up and show you how it works. Probably take a minute for the computer to remember how to idle and get everything back to remember what it does. My walker again. Now we're back in the vehicle. Start it up. Smooth as silk. Right at 800 RPMs, just like it's supposed to be. Smooth, no lights. Now your light may come on. I don't know. If you have any questions or anything like that, just send me a comment, or I'll get back to you, tell you what I think or how to fix it or whatever. I've had to do a lot of work to this thing. I've put new coil packs, new fuel pump, new everything, you know, pick up the module, all that. But this is the closest, cheapest thing I could find to fix it, and it works. You know, it might be a quick fix, it might not be the right way to fix it, but it worked for me. This 2000 Grand Cherokee Laredo 4.0. Let's go back to the engine. There's my walker again. There's my dog. Her name's Daisy. Now we're back out here again. You know, my crude wiring, I'll have to redo this. But you see here that I have number 2 just cut plumb off, tied into number 1 right beside it. You know, you got green wire, your green wire here, you know, make sure it hooks to your green wire there. And looks like brown there, but I think all the common grounds up on each injector is all green, so that means you could tie green to green anywhere, probably in the system, in the wiring harness. Yeah, 4.0 worked great for me. If you have any questions or comments, just send me a shout. Hope I could help you.